What's up YouTube, John Viet here, back with a brand new video. Today's video, I'm going to share with you guys exactly how to pressure wash concrete. That way you can make a lot of money from your customers. But first, if you guys are brand new to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications. That way you guys are notified every single time I upload a brand new video. Also, drop a comment down below if you have any questions on what chemicals to use or how to use the surface cleaner, pressure washer. Would love to answer any questions that you guys may have. And then lastly, like this video. This will help it boost it into the YouTube algorithm. That way it can reach more people who want to learn how to pressure wash concrete. As always, if you guys want to learn how to get more pressure washing jobs, we do offer a service. This is from my company, 813 Agency, where we've helped scale over 100 pressure washing companies just like yours to over $10,000 per month washing driveways, even houses, roofs, and even more. So if you're interested in getting some more support where we set up all of your advertisements for you and do a done-for-you service to set up all of your Facebook ads, send me a message at 843-888-2371 or book a free strategy call in the first link in the description. We got guys making $10, $20, even $30,000 from our Facebook ad setup this year. So if you're interested in that, definitely check out the first link in the description to book a call with me and my team. Also, if you're new to this business and you want to take out my pressure washing course, this is only $10 right now. We're doing a huge sale, normally $100, but we're limiting it just to $10 for the next 2 days. So if you're interested in that, check out all of my courses online. We have the pricing course, $9.99. We have the, how to wash course, $9.99. Even the do-it-yourself Facebook ads course, only $9.99. So definitely check those out as well. And lastly, join our free Facebook group at Pressure Wash Community. This is where we've got over 40,000 pressure washers. And we just kind of stay in touch with each other and talk about all the current up-to-date strategies for pressure washing and how to grow your business. Now to jump into this video, I want to share with you guys exactly how to pressure wash concrete. It really first starts off what kind of concrete you're going to be pressure washing and kind of the size of it, right? So is it aggregate? Is it concrete? Is it pavers? You really want to identify that before you get started. Now, after you've identified that, we're going to go ahead and primarily talk about concrete today. First off, what you want to do is pre-treat the concrete, right? So you got a really nasty black concrete driveway, and you want to transform that thing for your customer to make $300, $400, even maybe $1,000, depending on how big it is. The first thing that you're going to need to have is chemicals. Now, you're probably going to ask yourself, well, dude, what chemicals do I need? Well, it really depends. Primarily, what you're going to use is you're going to use a chemical called SH, right? So this is sodium hypochlorite. Basically, think of this as like your soap, like bleach, right? So it's like Pool Shock or whatever you use to kind of bleach your clothes to get that really white, bright stain out. This is exactly what we use to put onto concrete. And that's why you see all that soap. That's basically because we use a soap surfactant. So surfactant is basically a fancy. There's also a thing like rust removal, which there's a lot of good rust removals out there. This is to remove any, obviously, irrigation rust. And there's degreaser for like oil stains. If you want to learn about how to do that, you can check out my last video on how we removed some oil from a customer's driveway and made a ton of money on that. Let's see. Yeah, that's primarily it, right? So rust removal, oil stain removal, and then basically your SH, which is your 99%, of the time, that's what you're going to be using, is you're going to be using that SH chemical, which you can go to any local pool store and you can buy this. Now, once you got the chemicals, you're going to lay that on, be it downstream or pump up sprayer or even a soft wash system. It just depends on where you're at in your business. If you're just starting out, you're probably going to use a pump sprayer, right? You just put it into a pump sprayer, put it on. It's going to take a lot longer, obviously, but still gets the job done. If you're kind of mid-grade, you're going to do what we call a downstream with the J-Rod, which I have all those tools linked down in the description that from PressureCleanStore.com. They serve really good equipment at really affordable prices. So basically, they got J-Rods, the ball valve, X-Jet, all those are tools that you need to downstream your concrete. After you use that, you use what my employees got here, which is called a surface cleaner. This is to remove any dirt, any of that mold, and this takes it right up. And then after that, you just kind of switch over to your ball valve and rinse. So after you lay down your chemicals, you let it sit for a while. Then you do what we're doing here is you put down your surface cleaner. This ensures everything comes up, right? So this is really the biggest thing. Now, if you see stripes, you just simply have to go over it again or use more chemicals. And then after you do that, you do one pass, then you use your turbo tip or, you know, kind of your pressure washing wand to remove everything, all that dirt off of that. So that way it doesn't obviously dry in the sun. And then from there, that's really it. Everything should turn out absolutely perfect. As a courtesy for our customers, we basically rinse all of that off of the drain. So that way nothing's going in the drain. So yeah, we take care of all of that, make sure nothing's going in the customer's drain and everything is picked up, right? If you have a city where you have to do water reclamation, you would do something like that. So I hope you guys found a lot of value in this video. If you did, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below driveway if you made it this far.